Yo, what is going on, everybody? The Crypto Kid here, coming at you guys again with another video, guys. In this one, we're going to be talking about the recent price movement of Tezos. So I think right now what we're seeing is, well, currently it's at about a 10% drop in price on the 1 day, and about 20% or so on the from the 48-hour scale. I have 586 Tezos or XTZ, so that's obviously like a pretty big hit. But I'm not too nervous about it. I thought about selling a little bit here and there, but then I actually decided to move more into Tezos. Might as well buy it cheap, I thought. But it's just kind of continued to drop. So I'm hoping that it rebounds a little bit, but I think what we're seeing is that this is a pullback from the 395 price, along with just a red market in general the past 2 days. So we're seeing both, like just basically a double negative. So money was going to come out no matter what from it being a red market, but then on top of that, Tezos is just kind of having a pullback. So I think people are going to start freaking out and panic selling. But we're just going to shake out the weak hands and then get ready for a hopeful rebound, maybe even to $5. And at $5, I'll probably move out about like a half of my position from Tezos if we can reach that within a couple months. If not, I'll probably just hold on for a little longer. But yeah, I just have a few numbers with me right now. So the current low on the past week is $2.71, which is just hit today. It's currently trading at $2.78. But something I was thinking about, I was like, well, at the end of the day, like if Tezos were to just hold its value that you bought in at, so say you bought in at $3 and it just holds its value for the next 10 years, which if Tezos is still around in 10 years, it's probably going to have a value much higher than that. Yeah, so if Tezos can just hold its value for 10 years, that's on Coinbase, I'm saying. Coinbase actually isn't the most efficient way to mine Tezos, or just to earn Tezos, rather, to bake it. But if you are doing baking Tezos on Coinbase, you're earning a 5.31% staking return per year. So if you hold that for 10 years, that's 53.1% return on your investment, which is a lot better than some like professional traders will try to get. Or not professional traders, but like if you're trying to like maintain and grow your wealth, like 5.31% on a year is pretty impressive. So yeah, if you just hold for 10 years, I know that's a long time, but if you are trying to do long-term holds, I think Tezos is definitely a great one. If you notice that if you start to believe that it's not going to be around, then maybe you don't want to hodl Tezos for that long. But yeah, I just think over the next few years, the crypto market's still really young and immature, so people don't really know like which ones are going to be around or not. So, and like if you notice, all the cryptos kind of move together. They're kind of like tethered together. So if, say, over the next year, Tezos and XRP both go up 100% in price, you might as well have been holding Tezos that whole time, because then you'll have like 105%. So that's just the way I'm thinking about it. I might as well, if the market's kind of moving together, might as well be making money while I'm just holding. So yeah, so don't freak out. Don't get shaky hands. Once again, this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion. Tezos could be going lower, who knows? But at the end of the day, I'm just gonna stick with it and just see what happens over the next few days, few weeks, few months, few years if I have to. So thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate all the support recently. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you want to see more, and leave comments of what other topics you want me to discuss. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.